Hi guys, Wesley here. So AI is here. How do you use it? So do you use AI in your marketing or you don't? Now let me show you a quick way how about to use AI in your marketing. So what I'm going to use here is the Gemini AI, and I'm going to create a simple poster to market a product. So what you need to do is we open our Google Gemini AI here, and what you need to do is create an image. So on your homepage, once you open your homepage, there's that where should you start? There's create an image under all those options. Otherwise, at the bottom bar here where they're ask for a question, you can always click that option and pick the option of create an image. That's what you want. So pick your style, forget about that. So what you need is to get our image. So click on that plus and capture your image. So I'll use the camera here, and I want to capture an image of this watch here. So I'll take a picture of that. So I'm okay with that. I'll attach that. Then what I'll do here is I'll give a description of what I want to do. This is what I want to do. So I just said that this is an image of my product. Use it to create a professional 3D advertising poster. The price is Kenyan shillings 20,000. The number is there, and the location is that. Then just submit that. Let's see what we get. So so it's working. So it should create a poster for us that we can be able to share on social medias and or other platforms to advertise the product that we are selling. So give it a second for it to be able to do that. And in this case, it is using the Google's Nano Banana image generating model to be able to generate this poster design. So let's see what we get. So and there you are, look at that. So that is our image that has been generated. You can see the watch looks exactly like what we took from the image, and the price is there. You can call or WhatsApp, the number is there, and the location to get the item is there. So that is it. So you can just click on save here, and you'll be able to download that image. And once the image is downloaded, now you can share this image to your socials, and yeah, there. So open gallery. Yeah, it is. So there is our image. So you can share this image to your socials. You can share to the various WhatsApp groups that you are in, and you market your product. So as simple as that, using Google, you've come up with a simple yet sophisticated poster to market your product. So that's it from me today, guys, and have fun. Yeah, it's here to make your work easier. So get out, go marketing, make that money. And on to the next one. Until the next one, see you guys. Bye bye.